In this video, we'll learn how to reserve a room in the CLC app. On the main page, you will select Traveler Login and put in your credentials. Select the Remember Me option to remember your credentials in future logins. Once you have logged in, you will land on the search page. Here you can search for hotels, flights, or car rentals. At the bottom, you will have different menu options: favorites, reservation, and the search option, which allows you to toggle from a list format to a maps format. In the map view, you can pinch and zoom onto the map to pinpoint a location or area that you desire to stay in. Select the date option to select the days you'll be checking in and checking out. Type in the name of the city you wish to stay in, or select the GPS menu to pinpoint your current location. Also have the option to select single rooms, double rooms, one or multiple rooms. Also have the ability to search by radius, 10, 15, 20 mile options. Once you've selected your date range of the nights you want to have the hotel, you can hit search. A list of available hotels will populate. At the top, it will give you the option to filter by preferred, by distance, or by rates. You would want to filter by rates, thus getting you the best savings on the hotel stay. You can scroll down to view your options, and we'll select this La Quinta Inn. It's 1.6 miles away. Here you will see all the details concerning your check-in and check-out time, your total charges, and total savings. Further scrolling down this page, we'll find contact information for the hotel and the amenities available in the hotel. Also, this window gives you the ability to get directions to this location. It will prompt to open the GPS, options to call the hotel. It will prompt you to open the phone, and an option to add this hotel as a favorite, which will be populated on your favorites list. Once you confirm that all the information for your reservation is correct, you can select the Book Online Now option. It will then check for availability. Then it will prompt you to insert email, mobile phone number, and work order if it's tied to a business or project. And at the bottom, there are specific area for notes. Select next when done in this section. Now at the final window, we'll confirm the check-in, check-out dates, and the amount of people, and the total charges for the rental. Select Request Now, and you have successfully booked your hotel. Once you have arrived at the hotel, you will provide the check-in clerk your CLC lodging card, and they will provide you with your keys for your room.